Alright guys, how's it going? Today we got a 2020 Mustang with a 4-banger in it with the code P0496, which is a high purge flow. Usually the purge valve is the main cause. It could also be another code for a small evap leak, that the purge valve is slightly leaking. But here's the purge valve. It's under an engine cover. You just take it off with a few bolts. Here's the original part number right here when you get the part from the dealer. I'd recommend getting it from the dealer, not no aftermarket stuff. But as you can see, it's a small little hose with a little valve that's electronically controlled. So to take it off, get this green clip right here, pull it, comes off. Then the connection, just a little tab, one 10mm bolt. And then this little red clip right here. And then for this hose, this side of the hose, there should be a little tab you have to push in. You might need like a small screwdriver to push it in just because your fingers might not fit. Then once you get that, the new one should just go in just like how the old one came out. No big deal. It's like basic remove and replace type of deal. And I wouldn't even like bother with the diagnostic just because these things are super common. Like on these Mustangs, especially the 4-bangers, these purge valves go bad. So yeah, just connect it. Make sure all the connections are secure. All the clips are tightened, or else it will cause like a evap leak code to come. But other than that, it's just basic, connection, remove and replace. Put the 10mm bolt down, as you'll see right now. Tighten it down, and you're basically good to go. Reset the light with the scanner or little scanner, whichever scanner you have, you can reset it. And then you should be good to go. That's how you get rid of the P0496. And thanks for watching.